Hi guys! Meron tayong panettone. Tamari panettone. Panettone. I don't know how to pronounce that. Unboxing. Paano ba ito ina-unbox?
Ayun, mami, ito. Yan, inside na yan. Pipil off mo lang.
It should look like that. Naka-plastic naman yun.
Parehas mo itong i-pipil, mami. Para bumuha parehas. Ito mo isa pa. Wow. Lagi apura.
Given to Boy Apura. Ay, kilala ka nila. This one is from the neighbor. From the good neighbor. Ah, this one walang walang icing sugar na kailangang i-shake. Hindi siya kagaya ng, ano na ang pangalan ng isa? Christmas cake, guys.
Sarap.
Yung parang titikman, masarap na to. Let's cut.
Think like that.
Daddy's gonna do the review.
You want to put in the plate, mommy, before you cut? Hold on,
Give
hold
me
on,
a big
hold on. Hold on before you open it. Wait.
So, si Daddy ang magre-review. Daddy honest review.
Oo.
Grumpy siya today, so sigurado honest ang review niyan. Kasi, di niya sasabihin masarap kung hindi talaga.
Ang bagal. Kagat ka muna. Ako
Ikaw muna. Ikaw na.
Dalawa ubusin mo yan.
Okay lang.
Okay.
Ito ka sa camera.
Soft.
Soft? Okay, the bread is soft. What else can you say?
Raisin bread.
Masarap.
Oh.
You like raisins?
Mm.
How about the last one we tried? Masarap. Sarap, guys. Very fluffy.
They're gonna like that one. Sasubo sa akin. Tsaka mag-iwa ulit. Ayun pa.